day and it's 8:17 p.m. at kakabook lang na flight namin papunta at pabalik to and from Boracay. So I'm so excited. I wanted to vlog the entire process of me like preparing, getting ready, and also main itinerary.
If you're stuck inside tomorrow, scared by what you can't see, if your heart is full of sorrow and you don't know where you need to be, I'll hold you in my arms, sweet darling me. Let's take a little while. Tell me. Turning 30, I ain't in a hurry. I try to better.
So this is the fit. I just did a bit of like blush and then lipstick. Tapos, this is what I'll be wearing.
I try to love all of me exceptionally. I'm courageous. Oh, I can't sleep. Oh, it's hard to eat. Oh, I count some sheep. But slowly start to weep. Oh, it's hard to love when you're corrupted at the start. I wanna open up my heart. Fear tearing me apart. Do I dare to start again? Do I dare to start all over? Do I dare to love again? Do I dare to be a little bolder? Do I dare to start again? Do I dare to start all over? Do I dare to love again? Do I dare to be a little bolder? Morning's breaking, my soul is aching. I try to calm myself down, put my feet on the ground, I'm still shaking. Oh, it's hard to eat. Oh, I didn't sleep. Oh, I felt too deep, so I slowly start to weep. Oh, it's hard to love when you're corrupted at the start. I wanna open up my heart, fear is tearing me apart. Do I dare to start again?
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's
Guys, so this is the room tour. Ayan, you enter and then I'm just gonna walk. This side, ito na agad yung restroom. So, it has this really huge mirror, hello, toilet, and then just a shower. Walang bath, so I think it's fine. And the mirror is to die for, so I love it. Tapos, merong hair dryer. Then, meron ditong full-length mirror, which I love, you know, just to take pictures of your bikini or like your outfit. And then, next, nandito lang is yung open na drawer. Just 2 drawers there, and then 1 open cabinet there. Tapos ito yung hanging rack, which I think we can put out, di ba? Pwede itong ilabas, no? My sister's bed. Tapos nandito yung stuff niya. Tapos ito yung second bed, which will be my side. Tapos it has a TV, random suitcase holder thingy. Tapos nandito yung mirror, which I'll try to open. So, this is the mirror, which I think will be useful for me sa pagtitake ng pictures. And I just have my stuff here. Drawer, my suitcase, then this eating space, dining area, AC, everything.
I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong, but if we turn the clocks back a couple times.
Hi everyone, so aalis kami ngayon. So I'm currently getting ready. I had like a really quick nap and I switched into my white outfit and I'ma do a quick makeup. Let's start.
We should throw them out because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up and I can feel it now.
I did like a very simple look, like what I usually do. So this is the hair too. You guys can see. This is the back.
She said life is just a symbol for the pain that you can get through. Like a camel through the needle. Everyday people are just 1,000 versions of who they were. So love me like we're equal. 'Cause if there is no sequel, I'd rather live in peaceful understanding that we believed our every single word. Turn the clocks back a couple times.
Okay everyone, so this is the fit for the breakfast. So itong cover up na to I thrifted. Then this bikini top that is ribbed, it's from Shein. The shorts are also from Shein. They're just a normal black lounge shorts. This bag is also from Shein. Actually, Shein, sponsor me. I can't wait to eat. I need my coffee and I need food. Kind of fill me up. I'll see you guys there.
Smiling through the memories of all the shit that tried to take me.
Hey everyone, so update. My class just finished and I will be working out. So since may bayad yung gym for like 2 hours, you pay 300 pesos for 2 hours of gym usage. And I don't think that's even necessary. So I'm gonna do a MadFit workout right here. This top is from Bench. Shorts are from Shopee. So
Smiling through the memories of all the shit that tried to take me down. Ego took some big hits, but I rose up just to grow up. Yeah, I'm better. Yeah, I'm better.
hi guys, so I finished getting ready. So later, magkakaroon kami ng land island hopping. So instead of going to different islands ng naka-boat, we will be riding a van. So medyo mas matagal siya. But right now, we're just gonna go and look for a lunch place. Kasi kailangan po muna namin kumain ng lunch kasi hindi siya included dun sa island hopping. And this is what I am wearing. Actually, itong swimwear na to, it's a one piece na thrifted. So wala siyang pads. The short is the one that I wore kanina. I don't know if I vlogged my outfit kanina, but it's basically from Shein. Waist accessory is from Shein. Glasses are from Sunny's. Necklace is from Shein. Pearls are from Shein. And yeah, oh, if you're wondering, my case is also from Shein. And I originally, like, sa first time na pag-purchase ko doon, I bought like this iPhone 12 Pro Max na ganito in black din. So if you guys want to purchase the same case as I do, and if you have like an iPhone 12 Pro Max, I'll be selling that one on my Shopee app. So I'll just link that down below. And I also did like a very simple makeup. I focused on the eyes, like glitter and stuff, kasi yun lang naman yung makikita.
That don't mean no days are good days. I'm better, but with effort. Show me some patience, 'cause I still got a lot of shit to recover from. Still carry all of the drama in my bones. I try, but you'll have to forgive me if I'm not 100 big Gucci, if I'm still a little bit moody. I got a little more healing left to do, and I got a lot of soap to pick out of wounds. I try, but you'll have to forgive me if I'm not 100 big Gucci, if I'm still a little bit moody. Moody, moody, moody. About to roll my eyes, hide in the bed and cry. You gotta love me through it. Moody, moody, moody. You hate to see me down, but that's what helps me work it out. You gotta love me through it. I wish sometimes that it was more like a story. Big bad, all good.
Hi guys, good morning. So this is the last day here. Right now, I just brush my teeth and get ready kasi we'll buy pasalubong and I just finished getting ready for the last morning or last day here sa Boracay. Parang may rashes ata ko, or I don't know, like naangkatin niya. Alright guys, so for my outfit, I have this like a really cute slit going on. So everything that I'm wearing right now is from Shein. So this top is from Shein. It's so dainty and so girly, yet still very sexy. Then my cover up is from Shein. It has a slit right over here. You can make the slit higher. My bikini bottom na black is from Shein. Originally, these two has a black top as well, like bikini top, but I wanted to wear this one here sa Boracay, so I decided to pair it with these two. We gotta go. I'm hungry. I'm starving. I just want to devour something.
Gathered by the sea, sand people anxious.
Alright guys, so we're finally going to leave Boracay. So we just abandoned. We're gonna abandon this bed and everything na mess kasi we wanted to triple check everything to make sure that we didn't leave anything. So first, I have to show you guys my outfit. Alright, for the trip home, I'm wearing this beautiful like top from Shein. Then shorts that I wore papunta dito. My glasses are from Sunny. My slippers are from FitFlop. Bye-bye. Bye room. This was very nice. We gotta go. I love this mirror.
Daydreaming got me thinking that this can all be true. Speculating, a long time waiting to hear a word back from you. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself, like too much. 'Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love or just a phase.
Just delaying and replaying that look upon your face. Your laugh is contagious, never ages, always seems to